What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Out, and we are getting ready for our second break of the night. It is 6-box mixer 707. We just had a hell of a break for 706, so let's keep this hot streak rolling. We're live. Good luck. It is 11:24 on the clock. Martin again in spot 1 and Brandon in spot 30. Anaheim to Winnipeg, and we're good to go. Here we go, folks. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3 says 11:24. 11:24. And last upon a random on the teams. Last upon timestamp there says 11:24 and 11:24. Copy them over. Boston to LA. And Montreal to Winnipeg. There's teams. Now let's match some names. 11:25. Martin to Brandon. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. I feel like a broken record. 11:25. 11:25. Last and final, folks. Last and final. 11:25 and 11:25. Colby to Jamie. Colby to Jamie. Kelly to Aaron. There's your team. See you in 15. Good luck, folks.